From stolen vehicles to desperate escapes, these police chases show exactly how fast things can go horribly wrong.
Our vehicle wrecked out at Amico.
On December 5th, 2023 in Miami, the suspect who had just stolen a pickup suddenly accelerated into heavy traffic. Sirens blared behind him as the vehicle swerved sharply, squeezing through tight gaps and instantly throwing the road into chaos. The pursuit escalated as the suspect drove the wrong way, cutting dangerously close to other vehicles. Officers attempted multiple approaches, but he maintained high speed, weaving through dense traffic and creating several near-collision moments. The truck suddenly broke down and came to a stop. The suspect jumped out and tried to flee on foot, but was quickly chased down, tackled, and restrained by officers within seconds. He was taken into custody, facing charges including vehicle theft, fleeing, and reckless endangerment. On July 25, 2024, in Dallas, a stolen red GMC was located inside an apartment complex. As officers moved in and surrounded the vehicle, the driver suddenly reacted recklessly, turning a controlled situation into a tense confrontation within seconds.
God damn it! You good? Yeah,
That's real.
Shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! Go to the side! Shit! God damn it! You good? Get up!
3 suspects suddenly jumped out of the truck and split in different directions. One teenager pulled out a handgun as officers shouted commands, taking cover and moving tactically between buildings while continuing the pursuit.
Shots are fired. Need more cover. Hang on, Tim! Good! He's running north! He's running north! It can be running.
Officers quickly closed the distance, subduing the armed suspect first. The other 2 were chased down and arrested moments later. All 3 were placed in handcuffs, facing charges related to the stolen vehicle and firearm possession. On June 19, 2024, in Clayton County, a meth-impaired driver sped off in a stolen fire department truck after causing a crash. The vehicle pushed forward recklessly, ignoring all traffic laws, as officers immediately launched a high-alert pursuit.
Be pulling into 9520, hitting Hollow Trail, hold traffic 1 at gunpoint. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Turn it. Radio, take it off. Ready, gonna be taking off. Nope. soon as I get an opening, I'm going to take a...
At first, the driver appeared.
As officers closed in, the suspect suddenly accelerated, ran a red light, and weaved through heavy traffic. A roadblock was set, but he swerved to avoid it, lost control, and veered off the roadway, ending the vehicle pursuit with a dangerous stop.
Right here, watch out. Step on my right.
I got you. Go to front out. Hey, if you move, I'm gonna tase you, bro. Come here. Keep your fucking hand up. Come on, face. Fucking face. If you're on the... We got one in custody. Get your ass. Stand up. Get up. Stand up. Pull your fucking legs up. Let's go. Stand up. Stand up.
The suspect jumped out and ran into a wooded area, attempting to escape on foot. K-9 units tracked him down and found him hiding in a ditch. He was pulled out, subdued, and taken into custody, facing multiple serious criminal charges. On April 8, 2025, patrol units responded to assist in a pursuit of a Chevrolet S10 on Highway 7. The suspect, believed to have discarded illegal items, continued speeding south as officers stayed close behind, maintaining constant pressure. Officers deployed spike strips, damaging the vehicle, but the suspect kept trying to flee. After turning onto East Spring Street, a precise TVI maneuver pushed the vehicle off the road, ending the pursuit by car.
Stay there! Shut your mouth. Give me your fucking arm.
Don't fucking hit me, man.
Give me your fucking arm.
The suspect, Craig Sebastian, fled on foot but was quickly chased down and apprehended within minutes. Another suspect immediately surrendered. Both were restrained, the vehicle was towed, and the suspects were transported to a local detention center. In 2024, in King George County, Virginia, a simple armed robbery quickly escalated into a high-speed pursuit. When officers attempted a stop, the young suspect suddenly accelerated, fleeing across the Nice Middleton Memorial Bridge into another state.
$10.50. Two cars. Suspect vehicle's the blue one, right?
Yes! Driver, let me see your hands!
We see them hands! Hands!
The pursuit ended in disaster when the vehicle crashed into a civilian on Crane Highway. One suspect was killed, while the other was taken into custody and faces serious charges, including armed robbery, vehicle theft, and causing injury through reckless actions.
Vehicle wrecked out at Amico.
On March 12, 2024, In Palm Coast, Amanda Wright and Tiara Gallard exited a store carrying large bags of merchandise. When officers spotted them, they rushed to a white Toyota driven by Gerald Jenkins and fled the scene. Jenkins suddenly reversed recklessly, nearly striking an officer before speeding away. The vehicle weaved through traffic with its license plate concealed as pursuing units stayed close behind while the suspects attempted to escape.
I need you guys to stay off the radio. We're about to go south onto Seminole Woods.
Southbound on 7.
Turning, making a U-turn now, going back towards 100. First character is a Bravo, last is a Sierra. Coming back out on 100, gonna be going east.
I got 6 at Dodge dealership. I got 6 at the Dodge dealership.
He's coming up in the right lane right now. Coming up to Dodge now. Speeds of 75. Alright, vehicle wrecked out at Amico.
Jenkins swerved to avoid a roadblock but lost control, crashing into a water-filled area and coming to a stop. All 3 suspects were pulled out and restrained, facing charges including organized retail theft, grand theft, fleeing to evade arrest, resisting law enforcement, concealing a license plate, and possession of tools used for theft.
On the ground now! On the ground! On the ground! Get down on the ground! Hands behind your back! I didn't do anything!
Okay.
Man, keep coming!
Phone down. Put your phone down. Put it down. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
On February 1st, 2023 in Ocala, officers received a report of a stolen Ford F-150 linked to a firearm. After spotting the truck speeding, units initiated a pursuit as the suspects attempted to flee the area.
Unit call, you were 10-1.
I was out of my vehicle. I'm trying to catch up to 6620 now so I can call it.
26.
Back to you. There's approximately going to be 3 to 4 black males inside the vehicle.
2 to 4, possibly 3 or 4 black males inside vehicle. 2 to 4, southbound time.
5 on traffic. Go with it. Got a pit.
2 to 4 pit. Station 1033.
You recovered on 10 for another.
The chase quickly escalated as the vehicle weaved through heavy traffic. Officers attempted a maneuver on a curve but failed, and the suspect continued accelerating until losing control during a dangerous turn.
Mary to Air 1 to 1043. They're going to be at Maricamp and Bahia Road. 10-4. Station 1033, 26.
The truck flipped over and came to a stop. Officers immediately surrounded it, broke the windows, and pulled the suspects out.
That's right!
Alright, man. Hey, do the back. Here. Hey, watch that. Come over here.
Yeah, go ahead. So you're not putting it in the glass. Just trying to keep you off the glass, buddy.
Yes, sir.
This is the one I saw from the bed.
Hey, come on, we need to get you guys out of here. Hey, you got anything on you?
Go sideways, watch out for the glass.
All 3 were restrained and arrested, facing charges including vehicle theft, illegal firearm possession, fleeing to evade arrest, reckless driving endangering the public, and resisting law enforcement.